Thanks for subscribing.
I've got a number of people recruited.
Okay.
I think we can get a real good showing.
Oh, that'd be wonderful. Keep me informed. I mean, my 356s are all kind of patina cars.
Well, that's good.
You know, they're
nothing wrong with
not
that.
show cars.
You know, this is not your typical concourse. Okay, there is some judging that goes on, but it's very subjective. There's that. But, you know, we have classes, but the Porsches would be and you know, you could win and not have the best car, but it's the one that really, you know, attracts people.
That's the way it should be, I think. All right, nice job.
I really like this car too. Like this, there's a whole lot of work. And the interior too.
Yeah, we're going to.
Took out the steering. Well, I ran it.
I'm from Maui. I live all around on my side and south side. North side? No, all around
I have a lot of big friends who went there.
I thought everybody
And then they went to UCSB. They're on the fast track, yeah.
It's the mountains.
I had a lot of
Yeah, you got Malcolm Mackay.
Well, I knew when I left, we left the park. I knew, I told him, I said, you know, I said, we have 5 stoplights between now and the freeway, so, or the highway. So, if we get separated, don't worry, I'll go slow, going, once I get on 101. And we got 30 miles before we get off the 101. So I said, there's plenty of time, don't panic. I'm on it for 10 miles, nobody gets killed. And I pull over, finally I pull over. And in a safe area. And they were all together. Me and another guy.
Yeah.
I mean, it really was. It was
really original.
Oh, Dan, what's up, man?
Took second place in the preservation class at Devil. Yeah. To Miles Collier's 97. Against the Billy Hilder's I'm actually yeah, it's a original listed. Hi, Dennis.
Yeah, but
Oh, heck,
I didn't want to wait that long.
all right.
I just wanted to get some of else. Enjoying it?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's my dad. Gary is right there in that gray jacket, straight across with the
But you know, he had to have the right, reflectors and everything else,
Oh boy. That is cool. I heard you talking about this, what you figure out.
Well, I remember a story somewhere. Hey, good to see you. Good to see you. Great to see you. I'll see you in, I don't know, your place.
Well, there you go.
On a Saturday.
Absolutely. Yeah, just drop by, you know.
Okay, so I'll let you know, Sarah, yeah, you make plans, right?
Okay.
Set up the coffee.
That is legit. Oh man, that back
So
end
you
is
know
sweet
you-
as hell, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just expect GT first class.
Big Zagato in 62.
Yeah, that's about that.
And if I get tired of the original wheel, I have four other leather ones. LA, Granada Hills.
Then we made what we want.
My philosophy is shop the neighborhood, don't shop the house.
Yeah.
You can change the house.
But it was my old neighborhood. We moved in, we had the same neighbors we had when we moved away 15 years earlier. That's great. We were away from us. Now we're away from us 14 years, 15 years. Same neighborhood.
Yeah. And the carpeting, look at the gear shift. That I just got recently. Factory, but there's, like, Ron's car and that one.
And the blue one next to it. Boy, those are.
Huntington Beach was good for a year, and then Oak Park in Irvine, that was, there's no cell service, there's no internet. That was the Silverado one, so it's like we had to bring in a cell tower.